Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Blanca. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys two products that I have been using that have helped me tremendously, that have completely transformed my skin. I had damaged my skin barrier a couple months ago. I wasn't able to wear any makeup. My skin was just super dry, irritated. I would constantly have like a breakout of like little red dots. Of course, I went to the dermatologist and they just gave me some kind of cream that had all these warnings on it, and I just didn't want to use that. I wanted to share with you guys what I did and the whole process. So just in case any of you are going through something similar, hopefully you find this video helpful. If you want to see more videos like this about skincare, then give this video a thumbs up and I will definitely do more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. It really does help me out and it does mean a lot to me. All right, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm sure all of you have heard about The Ordinary. You can find them at Sephora or you can just buy from them directly. So I had purchased back in the spring, like a year ago, the glycolic acid 7% toning solution from The Ordinary. So I didn't do my research on this. I just saw that everyone was saying how amazing it was, how it got rid of texture, how it made your skin look and feel soft. I have a lot of texture on my skin, so that's something that I've always kind of felt a little insecure about or just always wanted to kind of fix. Now, when you read the back of this, it says, use ideally in the PM, no more frequently than once per day. And this is a alpha hydroxy acid, so it's going to increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Use a sunscreen and wear protective clothing and limit your sun exposure while using this product. So this is an exfoliator and I had no idea. I just thought it was a toning solution because it does say toning solution on there. And I just thought I could use this every day, all the time. And I didn't realize that it was actually exfoliating my skin. This dried out my skin so badly just because this stuff for my skin, like it's strong. And when I would put it on, it did burn my skin, but I just thought, but maybe it's doing something. Like I was so dumb. And so I just kept using it and I would use it every day. Sorry if you hear my stomach growling, I'm hungry as usual. Okay, so when I first started using it, my skin felt really nice. I felt like my cheeks look really soft, my makeup's gliding on really nicely. So don't get me wrong, this works really nicely when you use it properly. I was using it way too much. And not only that, but I was also exfoliating my face with like masks and I wasn't supposed to be doing that. So I had over exfoliated my skin. Therefore, I damaged my skin barrier. So anything that I was putting on my face, like eyeshadow, mascara, blush, my skin just didn't like it. And I ended up with itchy skin, dry skin, and my eyelids looked like so wrinkly. They were so itchy. And when I would touch them, they felt like sandpaper. My mole was even extremely dry. My under eyes were so dry. Like sometimes I looked like someone had punched me in the eye because it was so like inflamed and red. It was really hard. And, I was really down about it because I just thought I was allergic to makeup all of a sudden and I couldn't put anything on my face. So it was very hard. I had stopped using this probably like in, I'm gonna say around November. I stopped using makeup. I tried to focus on hydrating my face and just keeping my skincare routine very simple. So I would just use a gentle cleanser. I would just moisturize and that was it. But unfortunately, as soon as I would put makeup on, say a week later, I would have a reaction. What I did again was I just stopped wearing makeup completely. I was just like, you know what? I have to stop doing this. I can't keep putting makeup on my face and having this reaction. It's not worth it. So I completely stopped wearing makeup. Now the moisturizer that I started using that I noticed changed everything for me is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. This stuff is amazing. Sephora right now is having their spring sale. So this morning, I actually purchased the big tub of this, and I also used my points to get a mini version of this as well because I do not want to run out of this cream. It has hydrated my skin like no other. It doesn't leave a greasy feel to my skin or anything. It just sinks right into my skin. My skin just drinks this right up, and it has oatmeal in it. And it has shea butter and something else, I forget, I'll put it right here, which just calms and soothes your skin. If you are suffering from dry, parched, irritated skin, I definitely recommend the Ultra Repair Cream. And I haven't had an irritation, I haven't had anything happen to my face since starting this cream. And I started using this about a month ago, and my skin, I feel like has transformed, and I don't deal with itchy skin anymore, dry patches. I can wear makeup, nothing happens. Like I don't have a reaction. It's crazy. And so this is a must-have if you are suffering from dry skin. And then another thing I started incorporating into my skincare is the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. So this is a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. This stuff is amazing. You need this in your life. So hyaluronic acid is actually found in our skin, and it produces it on its own. It's natural. But as we age, we have less of it. So that's why, your skin isn't as plump looking, or you see the fine lines. Whereas a younger person, their skin just looks so youthful and glowy and moisturized and plump and so gorgeous, and you want to touch it, but you can't. It holds so much moisture. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So it's really going to hydrate your skin. So I apply this onto my skin when it's damp, and then I seal all that moisture with this moisturizer, and my face is so hydrated throughout the entire day. Like I have a glow to my skin looks very soft and plump, and that's what hyaluronic acid does. It plumps up your skin, it helps with fine lines, it helps with hydration. This is great even if you have oily skin. Just because you have oily skin doesn't mean you don't need hydration. I would recommend using this at night if you do have oily skin, just because this will give you a dewy kind of finish. And I do have sensitive skin, and I've never had an issue with this. If you are worried about that, then I would suggest you patch testing on your wrist or your inner arm right there, and just waiting 24 hours to see if you have a reaction. But this is supposed to be fine for sensitive skin because it is vegan, it's nut-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and yeah. So I have been really enjoying this, and I just feel like they've made such a huge difference in my skin. Like when I would touch my skin, it was very bumpy. I had like these little bumps on my face, and now I don't feel them at all. My skin is just soft. It's very important to learn about skincare. I'm so glad that I've gotten into it because I have learned so much, and I wish that I would have gotten into it way earlier. So if you are younger than me, I will be 39 this year, definitely look into skincare and invest in your skin because it's incredible, everything that's out there and everything that's there to help you. You just need to educate yourself. It's crazy how my skin transformed within a couple weeks. I can't believe it. Anywho, I'm gonna go eat something. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I will make more like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.